Meaning of dry milk.
Dry milk.
Dry milk.
Dry milk.
Dry milk. Dry milk, also known as powdered milk, is a dairy product made by evaporating milk until it becomes a dry powder. It is usually made from skimmed milk and has a longer shelf life than fresh milk. Dry milk can be reconstituted by adding water, and is commonly used as a substitute for fresh milk in recipes and food products. It can also be used as a standalone beverage or ingredient in baking, cooking, and other culinary applications. Overall, dry milk is a convenient and versatile option for those seeking a longer-lasting form of milk.